Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 19th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Texas Pacific Land, one of the largest landowners in Texas. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Texas Pacific Land has just released their fourth quarter and full year 2024 results, and there's a lot to unpack, especially with their record performance in the water segment.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financial highlights for the fourth quarter. Texas Pacific Land reported total revenues of $185.8 million, with a net income of $118.4 million. John, how does this compare to their previous performance?
These figures represent a solid performance for Texas Pacific Land. The revenue increase from $173.6 million in the previous quarter to $185.8 million was primarily driven by higher easements and surface-related income, as well as increased oil and gas royalty revenue. Their net income also saw a boost, reflecting strong operational efficiencies.
And what about their adjusted EBITDA and free cash flow?
The adjusted EBITDA for the quarter was $161.3 million, indicating robust earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. Free cash flow was also strong at $23.7 million, showcasing their ability to generate cash from operations effectively.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Texas Pacific Land has achieved record oil and gas production of 29.1 thousand barrels of oil equivalent per day. How significant is this for the company, John?
This is a significant milestone for Texas Pacific Land. The record production levels underscore their strategic focus on maximizing their royalty interests. Additionally, their water services segment achieved record revenues of $265 million, highlighting the diversification of their revenue streams.
They also mentioned a 3-for-1 stock split and the construction of a desalination facility. What does this mean for their future growth?
The stock split, which took place in March 2024, makes their shares more accessible to a broader range of investors. The desalination facility, expected to be completed by mid-2025, represents their commitment to sustainable practices and positions them well for future growth in water management.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. CEO Tyler Glover mentioned that the fourth quarter was a strong finish to a year full of milestones. Can you elaborate on the strategic initiatives that contributed to this success?
Absolutely. Texas Pacific Land deployed over $400 million towards acquiring high-quality royalty interests and surface assets, which has provided a significant growth tailwind. They are also actively pursuing next-gen growth opportunities and advancing commercial discussions, which could further enhance their market position.
How does their market position look moving forward?
With their extensive land holdings and strategic initiatives, Texas Pacific Land is well-positioned to drive accretive growth. Their focus on consolidating the fragmented market for oil and gas royalties and water assets is a key strength.
Key takeaways. In summary, Texas Pacific Land has delivered a strong performance in the fourth quarter and full year 2024, with record achievements in their water segment and strategic acquisitions. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Texas Pacific Land's robust financial performance and strategic initiatives make them an attractive investment. Their focus on sustainable growth and market consolidation positions them well for the future.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Texas Pacific Land's performance in the comments below.